saws, CGs, Carpenter Guys, portable crosscut saw that he uses, most effectively, I might add, and it's just wonderful. It knocks down, comes apart in 3 or 4 sections right here. You get a view of the hinge that you can take out. Remove this section here, and this section right here. He's got them on both sides, see? Just so ingenious and inventive, I'll tell you. And this thing cuts wood like going through butter, so it's very, very, very robust. And it all sits on 2 portable sawhorses. Okay. Very good.